Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you how do you send a photo or video on iOS on WhatsApp as a document. So first of all, you're gonna go to your WhatsApp. I'm gonna open up any random chat and now I could press this plus camera button and I could select any image. Right now what's going on here, if I send this photo right here, usually what WhatsApp does is it compresses the photo. So like if I were to send this photo, it won't be sent in the actual form, or the actual quality. The quality is going to decrease and the file size will also be smaller. So now usually on Android phones you can always press this plus button, press on the document, and you can browse through the whole drive, through the whole architecture of your phone, so you can access every location. But on iPhone, you have a separate files here, and that does not include usually the gallery. So what we want to do here is we want to export a photo from our gallery to the files, and then we're going to use that file from the files section, and then we're going to send it as a document. So let's go to our photos and let's just select this image. Now I'm going to press my send button and I'm going to look for save to files. Now I'm going to press on that and I'm going to save it on my iPhone. Now I could do it on my iPhone or my drive. So I'm going to choose my iPhone since my drive does not have any space. So I'm going to press save. I'm going to check if it's here, and yeah, it's here, right? Okay, now I go back to my WhatsApp. I'm going to press on the plus, press on the document, and this photo is here, and now it's ready to send, and it will be sent in the full size. So that is pretty much all you need to know. That is how you send the photos. You can do this for videos as well, and that is how you can send them as document. So I hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.